What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're over MagicCraft MCRT. I did get a super chat to go over this. Unfortunately, it was in my spam filter, so it's been a little while coming, but we're going to be doing it today. So MagicCraft has a very, very small market cap, only 7 million. That's super small while heading into a bull run. We're up 0.9% today. The total supply is 7.1 billion out of 10, so 71% of the coins are in circulation. This coin is currently available on the following exchanges: Bybit, HTX, MEXC, Gate.io. So it's not on like Binance or Coinbase, but it's on some good exchanges here. So if you want this coin, there's probably an exchange that you can find it on. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on MagicCraft. All right, everybody, let's get into MagicCraft here. So this is the MEXC chart here. Since January 2022, we've been in a downtrend nonetheless. But if we actually look at where we're currently at, we're testing that downtrend right now. So this is a very critical area for MagicCraft. It actually looks like we're just barely above it right now. But overall, this is a very critical area for MagicCraft because we want to obviously break out of that, I would say, MEXC lifelong downtrend, couple multi-year downtrend right here for MagicCraft. So that's what we're currently focused on here, breaking out of that downtrend, fib from the high to the low. That is also the 382 resistance area, or we're getting pretty close to that 382 resistance area. So for MagicCraft, we really need to break above that 0015 price range. So we're 0014 right now. We need to get above that 0015 price range to break above that 382, and the next big push will be up to the 618 at about 002. Now I like the small market cap and everything like that. That's very it's very good going into a bull run, especially since you're listed on some decent exchanges, guys. You're listed on some decent exchanges. You're not just listed on DEX. The big thing for MagicCraft and stuff like that is you want to stay active on your socials. So if we actually look at their X page, have they been posting often? So December 3rd, they pinned 49 minutes ago, an hour ago. So they're constantly active on their socials. So it means that they're constantly getting the word out there and pushing the project. So nonetheless, that is a bullish sign to me, is they have not given up. They're constantly working, constantly do it. But I mean, if you actually do the downtrend from here to this wick right here, we did technically break out of it. So if you want to draw it that way and you want to move the goalpost a little bit, you are technically out of your lifelong downtrend, which is bullish. Now on top of that, the day chart, we did get an engulfing candle today, but it's not as large as the other ones. You can see it's just barely bigger. So I'm going to be focusing on that, which could be calling for that slight pullback to test that prior lifelong downtrend breakout, resistance as support. We are currently overbought in the RSI, flashing red. First time we flashed red since December of 2023. So it's been like a year since we've been overbought on the RSI. On top of that, if you look at the WTX is deep in the red without a sell signal. So that, to me, that's saying there's a little bit more momentum we can go. I just think in the meantime, we'll probably see a pullback back down to around 1-2 and then a big push to the upside. And if I had to guess, that, yeah, see, we're tapped out at this 382. But if I had to guess, I would say we're probably going to go like this and then shoot up to the a 618 at 002, and then we can start being bullish about this coin. So it does look like the bull run for this coin is just getting started right here. We haven't seen any explosive movement to the outside, but breaking out of a multi-year downtrend is bullish nonetheless. So I'm going to be keeping a close eye on this, and just breaking out of that downtrend alone, multi-year downtrend, is bullish enough. Another thing I just noticed is this was a prior support back in July of 2022. So it does look like this is the critical area to focus on for MagicCraft. It was a support here, it was a resistance here, it was a support here, and now we're currently at it right now. So we really need to break above 0015. That is the magic number. Write that number on a sticky note, slap it on your forehead so you don't forget it. We get over 0015, that's when MagicCraft is going to start being super volatile to the upside, and you can start printing some green days. So with that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins that you would like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments, and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.